lovelies, I'm back with another video. Sorry it's taken so long. I've just been waiting for a camera, and then it was my little boy's first birthday. Yeah, so we had a lot going on, but I'm back. I'm doing it. So I'm back with two recipes. So I've got two recipes. I have the KFC Zinger style chicken burger, and that's no MSG, just healthy ingredients-ish, kind of healthy. I normally just have it on a cheat day, but yeah, it's really good. And then I've did like a salmon inspired Asian garlic and chili, simple ingredients, healthy, really good. Yeah, so I hope you like both of the recipes. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, enjoy. Hot sauce on my burrito, baby. You know you look good to me. Hey lovelies, so I'm back with another recipe, and this is the KFC Zinger burger meal. Well, not meal, but just a burger. Yeah, so I first originally got it from Slimming World, so you can just adjust it so that it's within your sin amount, which is like 15 sins. But yeah, I'm not on Slimming World, so I don't need to do that. So this is just a little cheat meal for me. So first of all, I've got these Doritos, so the chili Doritos. I think it's like 7.5 sins or something for like 30 grams. And then I've just got the salad. So I've got 2 eggs in there. So what I like to do, I do like to season the eggs. So just bear with me. So I'm going to put some paprika. So I'm adding the paprika. It's actually really hard to do this with one hand. So I'm multitasking. I'm doing it. Paprika's going in, and then we've got the garlic is going in too. Yeah, so I've just mixed that in. I did just add some black pepper and some salt to that as well. So I'm just going to mix it in. Give it a little bit of whisk. Okay, so I've got the chicken here. So I'm just going to sprinkle some corn flour. So I'm just going to literally try and do this with one hand. Just a little sprinkle. Okay. Sprinkle it. So yeah, it's a little bit messy, but okay, and there it is. So I've just put on a plate just to quickly literally just show you guys how it is. Yeah, so there's the chicken breast. So literally just dip it in the egg and then just put it in the Doritos, and voila. And there we have it. So I'm gonna put this in the oven at gas mark 6 for around 45 minutes. Coated, ready to go in the oven, like I just said. Yeah, so it's all sprayed and it's ready to go in. I can't wait to eat it. Here we have it. So I have the salad there for the burger. So you can use whichever salad you want. So I've just got some lettuce, tomato, red onion. Yep, so I'm just going to do some guacamole just to go with that. So unfortunately I couldn't show you how to do the guac, just because it's so hard to do with one hand, and I ain't that good at multitasking. So I just need to wait for my tripod to come, and then I'll be able to do it with 2 hands. Yay! But yeah, so I'll just quickly show you what I put in there. So I just put like a teaspoon of olive oil. I just some freshly squeezed lemon, some paprika, no not paprika, some chili and black pepper. Yeah, so I just really wanted to keep it fresh, simple. Yeah, so there you have it. It's really tasty. Ready to go on the burger. Okay, so there we have it. So I've added half of the yogurt. So half of natural yogurt there. And then I've just literally added maybe a few tablespoons. Obviously you can add as much as you want. Just taste it to how you like it. And then I've sprinkled some more garlic. I also had crushed garlic in there that I put in. I used garlic granules, and then I put some herbs in there. And then I'm just going to mix it, so that's perfect. So there you have it, the garlic sauce. I totally forgot to buy dill. So if you can, dill would be nice in that. Yep, so I've added some garlic sauce, lettuce, red onion, tomato, put guacamole on that side. Remember, you can add cheese, cucumber, do whatever you like. So bear with me a second. Okay, and then I've added the chicken there. I'm just going to add a little bit more garlic sauce. Let me bring that over. Drip it in. You can add some chili sauce, some garlic sauce in there as well. And then put the... Okay guys, and there's your burger. Hey guys, so I'm back and I've got another really good recipe, nice and healthy. So I'm gonna be doing Asian healthy meal with sticky jasmine rice, which is... We got the main dish. So this is the salmon, spring onions, garlic and chili is in there. So I have the garlic and chili in there, finely chopped. And then I'm gonna use soy sauce, sesame seeds at the end, and chili sauce. Okay guys, so let's get started. This is just simply easy. It's like literally a 5-minute prep, but it's so tasty. So come on, let's start. So I've got the garlic and the chili in there. I'm just going to add some soy sauce. So you just add like a tablespoon. I kind of know how much I want to add. So I've added, yeah, soy sauce is in there. And a tablespoon of sweet chili. But yeah, I kind of just do it by eye. Put that in there. Got the chili in there. Yep. Let me just mix that, and then I'm gonna... Yeah, so I just added a little bit more chili sauce in there. So there you go. It's just like a nice marinade. So soy sauce, garlic, chili, sweet chili sauce. Dead simple, nice and easy, tasty, yummy food. And then I'm just gonna sprinkle spring onion and give it a nice mix, and I've left some for garnishing as well to garnish the rice. There you go, so tasty. So I'm gonna spread it on the salmon. I can't wait to eat this. This is literally my favorite. So good. One sec. Oh my gosh, how nice does that look? Looks super tasty. I haven't seasoned the other salmon because that's for my little boy Leo, so don't really want to add anything to that. I'll probably add just a little bit of garlic and some fresh herbs for him. But yeah, look how tasty that is. Ooh, can't wait to eat that. And there you have it guys. So Asian inspired healthy salmon. I've just added some sesame seeds on top. And I'm about to put that in the oven, gas mark 6 for 20 minutes. Yeah. How easy was that? So yummy. Yeah, so please remember to like and subscribe to my channel and post me in your pictures, and I hope you enjoy guys. Bye lovelies.